Hi, I'm Andy Riffe with Andrew James Builders and Koff Hunter Haas Realty, and we're here today at the Sanctuary at Rivers Green to talk about how the LEEDS program can benefit you as a homeowner. The LEEDS tax abatement program, this is a building home standard, a green standard that if you build to, you can receive a 15-year tax abatement from the City of Cincinnati on your property tax. Another benefit to the LEEDS homes are the energy and water efficiency. The additional cost to the buyer for a LEED certified home is easily recuperated after a few years of savings. Homeowners who choose to sell their homes within the 15 years of the tax abatement, the abatement is completely transferable to the new buyer. LEED homes have a higher return on investment than the standard built home. One of the reasons is the low maintenance factor. Some concerns when buying a LEED certified home is that it'll look different with solar panels or various equipment, but that's not the case. Modern technology has caught up and surpassed, so the homes are completely indiscernible from existing homes in the neighborhood. I hope you found this Scoop 60 helpful, and I hope you tune in next week for a new Scoop 60.
Koff Hunter Haas Realtors and you.